Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link or connect your Slack workspace to read AI for meetings. So let's begin. First, go to the official website, log into your accounts, and over here on the left menu, I want you to click on integrations. Over here, scroll down. Slack will be right over here, not too far. Click Slack Sync to read. Now, just need to click Connect, and it will just ask permissions from your Slack to continue. They might ask for your password. In some cases, just just continue and confirm everything. Then after that, Read AI will show that you have successfully connected your Slack accounts. It will show something similar like this, like for example, your calendar. You have the option to disconnect, and it will show all of the integrations that are on your Slack account that can be used for your meetings. So that's it. That's how you can successfully connect your Slack workspace to your Read AI account. I hope you found this video very helpful.